Hello students, in this lecture we are going to study the efficiency of transformer, how to calculate the efficiency of a given transformer. In the previous lecture we have studied the concept of losses that is happening on the transformer, which are two types of losses. One is iron losses happening in the core, other is copper losses happening in the winding. So the total losses on the transformer are simply addition of the iron loss plus copper loss measured in watt. Now let's understand the efficiency of the transformer in terms of these losses. Now ideally your transformer should have zero losses, but practically there is some loss of energy happening when the power is being transferred from primary to secondary. So our power output will not be exactly equal to power input, but power input minus total loss. So from this expression we can get the expression of input power as power input is equal to output power plus total losses. So here our power input will be output power plus iron loss plus copper loss, where copper loss is full load copper loss that we are considering. Now efficiency of any instrument is the ratio of output power to input power, both of the power measured in watt. That's why our efficiency will be a unitless quantity. So we can rewrite this efficiency expression as eta is equal to output power divided by output power plus iron loss plus copper loss. Now we know that our output power of the transformer will be V2 I2 multiplied by cos phi, where cos phi is the load power factor and V2 I2 is the VA rating of the transformer. Therefore our efficiency will be V2 I2 cos phi, that is our output, divided by V2 I2 cos phi plus iron loss plus copper loss. Now let's just replace this V2 I2 by the VA rating of the transformer. So our formula for percentage efficiency will be simply VA rating of the transformer multiplied by power factor divided by VA rating multiplied by power factor plus iron loss plus copper loss whole multiplied by 100, because we need to calculate the efficiency in percentage. Now keep one thing in mind, that this expression is only true for efficiency at full load, because we already mentioned the copper loss here is a full load copper loss and the current is here full load secondary current. Why we are stressing on this concept of full load efficiency? Because as our load fraction will change, our efficiency is also going to change. So because the copper loss will change and also the output will change, that we will study in the next section. So let's say we are considering a special case where the transformer is connected to a fraction load with a fraction of n is equal to actual connected load divided by full load. For example, if transformer is connected to half load, then n will be equal to half load, which is our actual load, divided by full load, that is 1 by 2 divided by 1, which will be 0.5. Now as the load is changed, we know that the secondary current will change to new secondary current will be given by n times the full load secondary current. That's why our output also will change, because output is dependent on the secondary current only, and the changed output will be n multiplied by V2 I2 multiplied by cos phi, that is n times the original output. Also there will be change happening in the copper loss, because our new copper loss will be n square times the full load copper loss. So and iron loss will be not changing because it is independent on the load. Now because of all this changing happening in all these parameters, our fractional load efficiency will now be the changed load divided by changed load plus iron loss plus changed copper loss, that is n into V2 I2 cos phi divided by n into V2 I2 cos phi plus iron loss plus n square times the full load copper loss whole multiplied by 100 to get the percent efficiency. And if we replace this V2 I2 again by the VA rating, because VA rating of the transformer is constant but only output is changed. So the percent efficiency formula will be n into VA rating multiplied by cos phi divided by n into VA rating multiplied by cos phi plus iron loss, which is constant, plus n square times the full load copper loss multiplied by 100. So we have got the two formulae for the efficiency. One is at full load efficiency and one is at fractional load efficiency, which we can calculate if we know the fraction of the load that is connected to the transformer. And One more thing that is to be noted for the efficiency expression is that it is same for all types of load power factor, that is lagging, leading and unity power factor. So this was all about the concept of efficiency of the transformer and how it varies with the changed load.